Swag, swag, North Pole in Alabama.
X Games 22.
Dude, yes. Oh no, please. Barrett attempts to cross the mud hole. The frozen mud hole.
Listen to it crack.
Here we go. Can he make it across? Oh, it's starting to crack.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, there it goes from under his feet. Can he make it? Can he make it still? Oh no, there it goes again. Keep going, Bearcat. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. He can do it all the way. Yes, he did it. He's driving on the left side. He's turning. That's that guy. It's a Humvee. Ice skating in Alabama. Oh, breaking. You gotta get a good head start. Here we
Ice skating.
oh.
Someone step in the middle right there. That's the root right there. Now this is wet right
Anywhere there's snow, it cracks.
This is
Okay, jump on
Who
it a
wants-
little bit. Jump on it
Who
a
wants
lot.
$1 to give a run and slide all the way across?
That'd be really cool. I think I'll do it.
You'll do it. Take a run and
Wonder
slide
how deep this
and see
is.
if you can slide all the way across. I meant a run, not